This video tutorial explains the RGB waveform function of the Movnorm series monitors. First, tap the screen to bring up the menu. Then click on Functions and RGB Waveform to enable this function. On the RGB Waveform menu, there are 6 adjustable parameters: opacity, brightness, warning color, warming area, waveform change, and position. Click on opacity to choose off 25%, 50%, and 75% of these for options. You can change the opacity of the RGB waveform based on your needs. Click on brightness. You can adjust the display brightness of the RGB waveform. Click on warming color. You can toggle the display of the overexposed areas on the RGB waveform. Click on warning areas. You can adjust the range of the underexposed or overexposed areas on the RGB waveform. Click on waveform change. You can change the size of the RGB waveform. Click on position. You can change the position of the RGB waveform on the screen. That's all for the introduction of the RGB waveform feature of the Movnorm series monitors.